All right, Mr. Harmless here, and we're going to work on this next lesson, areas of circles and sectors. Circles and sectors. You probably already know, or you should already know, how to find the area of a circle. The area of a circle is equal to pi, that's this little symbol right here, pi, times the square of the radius. Okay, the radius. The radius is the distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. Center to any point on the circle. And so you've probably seen this formula multiple times by this point in high school. You've probably seen this several times. And if you're going, no, I don't think so, say it out loud. It should sound familiar, right? Pi r squared, right? And then you have at least one dad who goes, pi r not square, pi r round. Yeah, okay, thanks, dad joke. So pi r squared, pi times the radius squared. So let's do an example here. Area equals pi times the radius squared. Now the radius is from the center to the edge. If this is giving me all the way across as 12, then that's called the diameter, okay? If it's all the way across, that is called the diameter. But I need the radius. The radius would be exactly half of that diameter, because if it's 12 all the way across, it'd only be 6 just from the center to one side. So that's what we're going to do. Pi times 6 squared. Now, the nice thing about your calculators is your calculators will handle all of this for you. Let's turn this thing on, clear it out. There's a pi key. It's usually right over here. If you have one of the other calculators, sometimes it's in a button over here by itself. You don't have to hit second to get to it. Sometimes it's over here. But if you have one of these graphing calculators, you have to hit the second key to get to something that's up there. Pi times the radius squared. So 6, and then this x squared squares whatever number's there. Okay, and so we get 113.09. And if we're rounding to the nearest tenth, which is what I'm used to doing, that 9 tells me that that 0 needs to go up to a 1. So 113.1, and it would be, let's see, what was my units in this problem? Meters. So since it's area, meters squared. So 113.1 meters squared is the area of this circle. All right, go ahead and try those exercises, see if you can find the answers to those, and then you can watch the video, see how you did.